This question asks us to provide the IUPAC name for this molecule. The first thing we need to do is to find the parent hydrocarbon. There are 5 carbons in this ring, so the name of our 5-carbon parent hydrocarbon is pentane. But it's not going to be pentane, it's a cyclic ring, so we'll update the parent hydrocarbon to cyclopentane. But it's not going to be cyclopentane either. There is a high priority functional group, the alcohol, in this molecule, so we need to update the suffix of our parent hydrocarbon to include the highest priority functional group. So it will become cyclopentanol. Now we need to number the molecule. The highest priority functional group in a cyclic ring is automatically assumed to be carbon number 1, so we can add carbon number 1 to the position for the alcohol, and then we'll number to get the lowest overall set of numbers. That will put the methyl group at carbon number 2. I could draw in the rest of the numbers, but I'm not going to save time and space. So the substituents in this molecule, on carbon number 1, we have the alcohol, and on carbon number 2, we have the methyl group. We can then put these in order. The methyl group would go out front as a substituent, and we would get 2-methyl cyclopentanol. Because the alcohol is assumed to be at carbon number 1, we don't need to include a location number for the alcohol in the name. The last thing we need to do is to include the stereochemistry of these 2 atoms. I've already done this analysis. You should take some time and make sure you can do it on your own, but both of these stereocenters are R. So this would be 1R, 2R, 2-methyl cyclopentanol.